Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 words that can be used for gardening tools. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is shovel. Second word is spade. Third word is garden fork. Fourth word is trowel. Fifth word is hand pruners. Sixth word is head shears. Seventh word is garden scissors. Eighth word is garden rake. Ninth word is leaf rake. 10th word is hoe. 11th word is wheelbarrow. 12th word is garden cart. 13th word is garden gloves. 14th word is knee pads. 15th word is garden apron. 16th word is gardening knife. 17th word is soil scoop. 18th word is bulb planter. 19th word is seedling tray. 20th word is seed dibber. 21st word is watering can. 22nd word is garden hose. 23rd word is spray nozzle. 24th word is garden sprinkler. 25th word is garden hose reel. 26th word is gardening mat. 27th word is weed puller. 28th word is weed torch. 29th word is pruning saw. 30th word is grafting tool. 31st word is soil pH tester. 32nd word is soil moisture meter. 33rd word is garden edger. 34th word is lawn mower. 35th word is grass trimmer. 36th word is leaf blower. 37th word is garden sprayer. 38th word is plant labels. 39th word is plant ties. 40th word is garden wire. 41st word is plant stakes. 42nd word is garden trellis. 43rd word is pruning ladder. 44th word is fruit picker. 45th word is bulb planter. 46th word is garden dibber. 47th word is soil thermometer. 48th word is grafting tape. 49th word is hand cultivator. 50th word is garden kneeler. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.